Hey everybody, this is Troy from Striker Blades. In today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing of the all-new Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S. Now there's quite a few unboxing videos of this phone online already, however those are pre-production samples, whereas this one is the final retail product. And the one I have here in front of me is a 64GB version and 6GB of RAM, as well as being the global version of this phone. As far as I know, the only difference between the global version and the Chinese version is the Chinese version does come with some pre-installed apps that are only available in China, so the global version doesn't have those apps, although if you do get the Chinese version you could just uninstall those and it would work pretty much the same way. I purchased mine from gearbest.com. They had the best price on this. It was around $580 if I remember correctly. And they did include this European plug to US plug adapter so that I can charge the phone using the included wall charger, since it does come with a European wall plug. This phone is going to be my new daily driver. I'll be uploading a full review of the phone and what I think of it in about a week or two, and once I've had a chance to really use it and customize it and check out all of its features. So be sure to subscribe so you can see when that video comes out. I think it would be a great video for you guys to watch, because a lot of the videos on YouTube right now are of really large channels that kind of get the phone for free to test out, but they're not from people who have actually purchased the phone themselves and used it for a month or two. So that's enough of me talking. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.
Like a Hellcat.